Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Tanzania Simone, and I'm back with another video. Okay, you guys, so today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys this freestyle set that I did. It's going to be two different color sets. So it's going to be one hand is going to be blue, one hand is going to be pink. And it was just a couple things that I wanted to get into with you guys today, because I'm trying to work on doing my voiceovers. As you guys know, most of my videos don't have voiceovers because I'm not comfortable with my voice. So if you guys want to see the process of me getting comfortable with my voice, make sure that you guys follow me on TikTok at NailedBySimone _. And I'm doing a new series called Getting Comfortable with My Voice. So what I'll do is every time I post a nail video, I'm going to do a voiceover instead of just playing music. Okay, so hopefully this way I can get more comfortable with my voice, because I'll be posting on TikTok, which means that people don't really know me up there, so there's no expectations of my voice. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I won't be judged or self-consciously. I just hate hearing my voice over, if that makes sense. Like, I don't like to hear my voice. Whatever. So I'm trying to get through that process or whatever situation is. So if you guys want to see my journey and me building my confidence in my voice so that way I could do better voiceovers for you guys, then make sure that you guys follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the whole point of this TikTok situation is so that I could be better for YouTube. Get the bigger picture? Okay, got it. So let's go over my schedule for YouTube. My schedule for YouTube is going to be Sundays at 5 p.m. and Wednesdays at 5 p.m. So make sure that you guys follow me on all of my social media platforms so that you know that when I'm posting a YouTube video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can get notifications when I post. Okay? So now I'm going to get into this video, since I went over everything and all of that, whatever. So another thing that I did want to mention is my YouTube videos. I think I'm just going to really do like maybe me showing you guys laying acrylics and doing designs. I'm not going to post a video every time I post it. I'm not going to go over prep work, cuticle work, and all of that other stuff. Like, it just takes up a lot of time and it's just a lot, and most of the time you guys get it. But I am going to post those videos separately, and I will always link it at the bottom of each video, so that way if you guys are new and you guys want to see how I do my prep work, then you guys will have the link to see what's going on or how to do it, right? So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you guys a freestyle that I did, and right here I'm just showing you guys me laying the acrylic. And what happened in this video is, like, that blue color that I'm using is not an acrylic color, it's really gel polish, and I didn't show this part of the video. But what I did was I painted the nail tip blue and I cured it for 60 seconds. I did 2 coats. And then now I'm laying the acrylic over it, okay? Once you do that, then you just encapsulate it with clear, and then you're ready to go. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys my methods of, like, me laying my acrylic and stuff like that, you know? So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I don't think I was going to do a full voiceover, but I just want you guys to enjoy the music and just enjoy the vibe. Because this is, I've been talking for like 3-4 minutes. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this video. And my next video will be a detailed voiceover. Okay? So you guys can leave comments down below and let me know how I'm doing on talking to you guys, because I'm very nervous. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, so let me know, like, what I could say, or, yeah. So just let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm not about to be doing all detailed videos every video, so do not comment down below and saying, oh, you didn't push back her cuticles, oh, you didn't do this, oh, you didn't do that. I did do it, I just didn't show you. Okay, thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure that you guys follow me on TikTok at NailedBySimone _. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. My nail page is NailedBySimone _. And my personal Instagram is Tanzania with 2 I's and 2 A's. So make sure that you guys follow me on all of my social media platforms. And I just started posting reels on Facebook, because I'm trying to really boost up all my clientele. And I also want to let you guys know that I am officially a travel nail tech. So if you guys want me to come to you, book a consultation, we could get busy and we could get to it. And I could come see you and do your nails. And it's going to be a whole vibe. So yeah, make sure that you guys follow me and book me and subscribe so that you can see all of my videos. Thank you.